Hello, this is Flights in Asia, and in this video, we'll be discussing the renewed scrutiny on the Boeing 737 MAX, which is back in the news after the loss of a mid-cabin door plug on a recent Alaska Airlines flight. As the investigation into the incident is now underway, there is now more scrutiny on the main narrow-body aircraft product of Boeing, which is going deeper, and there is now going to be an investigation into Boeing's manufacturing and production lines, and there just happens to be a connection to Asia. Since the Alaska Airlines 1282 incident on January 5th, around 171 MAX 9s with the similar door plug have been grounded per the FAA Emergency Airworthiness Directive. As the U.S. National Transportation Safety Board formally launched their investigation into the incident, inspections on the 171 aircraft has started, and according to the U.S. FAA, initial inspections on 40 of the 171 grounded aircraft have been completed. As the inspections are ongoing, the FAA is going to thoroughly review data before deciding if the planes can resume operations. Earlier I did mention that there is an Asia connection regarding the supplier of the door plug. While the company that was tasked to make the door plug is US-based Spirit AeroSystems, during a briefing with the US Senate Commerce Committee, the NTSB chair, Jennifer Hamady, stated that they did not know what went wrong and are looking at records related to the door plug, though it did add that the aircraft door plug was produced at Spirit AeroSystems facility in Malaysia. She further stated that the NTSB is looking at the door plug transfer from Malaysia to Wichita, Kansas, and onto the fuselage of the aircraft, along with the shipment by rail to Boeing's Renton, Washington-based facility, along with the Boeing quality assurance work. While the NTSB is investigating the incident, the US FAA has opened an investigation into Boeing's manufacturing and production lines. This investigation will include Spirit AeroSystems and will look into bolstering oversight on Boeing and examining potential system changes. As the investigation on Boeing's processes start, Boeing has already pledged to turn things around. During a recent employee town hall meeting at Spirit AeroSystems facility at Wichita, Kansas, Boeing CEO Dave Calhoun, along with Spirit CEO Pat Shanahan, said that the subcontractor would make changes and improvements and will restore confidence. Boeing has also taken a step to appoint an independent advisor to lead a comprehensive quality review of its practices. To do so, the American aircraft manufacturer has tapped a retired U.S. Navy Admiral, Kirkland Donald, to develop an assessment of the aircraft's manufacturer quality management systems for commercial airplanes, answering to Calhoun and the Aerospace Safety Committee of Boeing's Board of Directors. The task of now overseeing and potentially making changes for Boeing's practices falls onto someone who has been trained as a nuclear-trained submarine officer and has served as the director of the U.S. Navy's nuclear propulsion program. Regarding the appointment of Donald to his position, Calhoun stated, quote, "Admiral Donald is a recognized leader in ensuring the integrity of some of the most complex and consequential safety and quality systems in the world. I've asked him to provide an independent and comprehensive assessment with actionable recommendations for strengthening our oversight of quality in our own facilities and throughout our extended commercial airplane production system. He and his team will have any and all support he needs from me and from across the Boeing company." While the investigation is underway onto Boeing's aircraft manufacturing practices, and there is now renewed scrutiny on the 737 MAX, that still hasn't stopped any new orders or those looking to make new orders for the aircraft. An example of this is Akasa Air, which made a big order for 150 new of the 737 MAX aircraft. While there are safety concerns, airlines are seeing the 737 MAX as simply an opportunity for more fuel efficiency with their narrow-body aircraft and to replace older 737s. Though orders and deliveries won't be stopped, the very same airlines are going to be expecting much more from Boeing in terms of assuring the quality and safety of the aircraft. I definitely hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This has been Flights in Asia, highlighting the news and updates from the aviation and travel scene in the Asia Pacific. Thank you for watching and have a great day.